Yo guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video, I'm with my friend Joris.
Hi.
And so today we're gonna play Angry Bird Obby. So let's
Mm-hmm.
begin with the video.
Yeah.
Yeah, so now let's go with the obby and
This,
yeah. Oh no,
I
I
hope me
died.
don't die.
No. Yeah.
Guys, I will be waiting
Okay.
for that will be alone.
For you guys who don't know me, I'm I'm Bronze League. The
Mm-hmm.
uh I should say the normal YouTuber. Like, no, I'm not the best YouTuber. My dream was to be the best YouTuber. So
Yeah.
this video is gonna be in 5 minutes, 10-minute video. So you guys
Uh-huh.
you can enjoy the fun.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's do the obby right
Wait,
now.
what?
Yeah.
Wow. Cool. Yeah. Cool, dude. Oh, wait, I did not get the checkpoint. Oh,
Yeah.
there you go. I got it.
If you guys want to follow me on Roblox, I will put my profile link in the description below and check
Can you
out.
put my link as well?
Oh, and also please check out my friend's Roblox profile. Yeah, I'll put his link
What
in
have you done?
I'll put his
Okay.
link in the description as
Okay.
well.
Yeah.
Yes.
Be sure to follow us too in
Yeah.
Roblox.
And also shout out to my friend Joris for
Yeah.
joining me in this YouTube video.
Video.
Shout out to him right now.
All? You did not die, right?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, you did.
Oh, I died again.
Sorry.
Yep.
I will
So
wait for it.
okay.
We will not leave each other. We'll
Yeah.
wait for
This will be the best YouTuber video ever that you guys will enjoy.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Yep.
Let's go. Get the... Wait, did you just fall?
Yep.
Oh, you did.
And also, guys, if you guys don't have Discord, please
What?
download Discord, and I'll put my link in the description below for the Discord. So please join my
Yeah.
Discord group. Yeah. Please join my Discord group.
Be sure to join his...
Yeah.
Come, dude.
Please join my Discord group in the description below.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah, dude. Let's do this, dude.
Yeah. Let's do this. Let's go right now.
Uh-huh.
Doing obbies.
Do this. Yeah, boy. How did you do that?
Oh, I tried to jump over the shortcut
Oh,
way.
I did it, dude. I did it.
Yeah.
You can make that jump.
So today's video that
I will
I'm making,
try.
today's mission that I'm gonna complete is the task that I'm gonna complete is I'm gonna complete the
Yeah.
whole Angry Bird obby today in this
Yeah.
video.
We're gonna do this today, right now,
Yep.
right here.
I show you
Right?
guys that who's the pro in the obby. Although
Guys,
although
I'm
not
a
a pro.
noob in hobbies.
Yeah.
I'm not a pro.
Yeah.
I'm just good. I'm not really a
Yeah.
pro.
Don't worry. Oh, see? Sometimes a pro can make
Yeah,
mistakes.
yeah, me too. I just fall down as well. Sometimes you do that.
Yeah, let's. I died again,
Yeah.
so it's my bad I died. Oh man.
Wait, what is this?
What? What,
What
what?
is this? A
Oh,
checkpoint.
this is a
Checkpoint.
weird stage. I don't know.
Oh wait, there are invisible thingies. Yeah. Let's do this.
Go down this way. We are at
Oh shoot.
we are at level stage 20 right now.
Ooh. Yeah, let's do this.
Stage 22. We we're gonna beat this girl boy is called
What is this?
Isabellarina. What the heck's that name for? It's so funny. Lol. Ha.
Uh, really cool name.
Yeah.
Yeah, do this. So,
Come on, you guys. Cheer for my friend.
let's do.
Cheer for my friend.
Yeah.
Cheer for my friend.
Cheer for him, oh guys.
Yeah. Cheer for my friend. Go Joris. Go Joris. Go Joris. Go Joris. You can do this. You're the
No.
best.
No, you're the best.
Yeah.
You're the best.
Bear in mind, guys. Practice make perfect. You
Yeah.
everyday practice. One day you'll be perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just like me.
You
Yeah,
died.
joking, joke, JK. Not lah.
Yeah. Did you die in the first step?
If you guys,
I did that.
Okay. If you guys notice that my nose I have running nose, so please
Yeah.
don't mind. I'm really sick right now. Yeah, so
Yeah.
be be sure to subscribe to my channel and
Yeah.
turn on post notification and comment.
Uh-huh.
I subscribe to enter my giveaway. Yeah, to enter my giveaway. If you guys subscribe to my
You
channel,
can
turn
do
on
it.
post notification and like this video, I will do a giveaway
Uh-huh.
and one lucky winner will win a Roblox gift card.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Let's do this. Yay.
Stage 27, let's go this way. Oh my god.
What is this, a maze?
I think this is a maze. I'm not sure. Nope, this is the easiest maze.
Oh, you pushed me. That's okay, dude.
Yeah, that's okay. Accident happens.
Yeah. That happens sometimes. Wow. We're so close to finishing it, guys.
Yeah.
I think we're halfway through, guys. So, wait, what? What has happened?
And also, you guys, please comment down below what should I do next. What should I play
Mm-hmm.
next in my next video?
Yeah.
Comment down below. Any games that you
Yeah.
want me
Comment
to play.
it. Yeah.
Comment and subscribe to my channel.
Uh-huh.
I'm hoping by end of this year, I will want to get
1,000.
250 subscribers, shall we?
Uh-huh.
250 subscribers or 100 subscribers?
I hope. Uh-huh. I hope we can hit that, guys.
Yeah. time to continue the
Let's do
ROBLOX
this,
right now.
dude.
Oh, you pushed me off.
Did you got the checkpoint? Sorry,
Yeah,
but did you get? Yeah, you got the checkpoint.
yeah.
Oops, I missed something.
Yep.
You can do this.
Look at that chicken rabbit. Look at that angry bird right there. Look at that. I'm gonna take a screenshot of that chicken right there.
Yeah, it's so. Yeah.
I'm gonna take a screenshot of that chicken right now. I'm legit gonna take a screenshot. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the
Yeah.
fence. Ah, look at the fence. The chick. Look at that. The
It's so.
fence. The fence. I can't believe how fast the chick. How fast the bird or maybe it's 100 kg,
Uh-huh.
200 kg. Lol.
Yeah.
Ha.
And eat too many foods. That's probably what.
Oh wait, I know.
Right?
Yo, Joris, show them,
What?
show my viewers that you sent me the picture this morning.
Oh yeah, I sent him a picture that's.
Yeah. Send me again, Joris. Yeah, send me again. I want to show my viewers how funny is the Ooby.
I
Lol.
can send it right now, right?
Yeah,
I can send it right now.
yeah. You can send it right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Send those photos so we can. Oh wait, I don't know. Joris. At the end
What?
of this video, send the video.
What?
Send the picture to me, and I'll show my viewers how funny is the video. I mean, how funny is
Oh,
the pictures that you send me.
yeah. I know. Did
So what? So should we go this way?
oh you do go?
Oh,
Go
there
the
you go.
street?
We got it.
Oh, okay.
We're
It's
catching up to this Orwa 6S. We're catching up so fast.
Yeah.
We are catching
Yes.
up.
Yeah. Oh, a
Level
blackbird.
40.
This dude is so fat as well. Look,
Yeah.
the blackbird.
Why is there another chicken? Oh, I mean not chicken, the bird.
I
Oh,
know. You go.
okay. We got it.
Let's do this. Yay! Wait, they disappear though?
Yeah. They will. Once you jump on them, they
Okay.
will disappear.
No. Okay. I got past.
Level 44. We're catching up to this.
Yeah, I'm catching up to him.
Oh. Level 45. We need
Whoa, whoa.
50 more levels. 50 more levels to catch up to this Orwa 6S. I don't even know how this guy pronounced the name.
Yeah.
It's so weird.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
I wonder what will happen if Miguel
Oh!
and...
No, I fall down. Okay, never mind.
Whoa.
Level 46.
Just-
We're
We
gonna
just
catch
see him
up to this.
right now. We're catching up to this girl as well. Do this. Wait, what is this? But it goes this time downwards.
Level 48. We need a few.
Yeah.
We need 12 more levels to catch up to the Orwa
Yeah.
guy. And it's also once we catch up to this Orwa's guy,
Yeah.
and it's also the time for us to end the video soon. So
Yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Yeah.
I can't believe I missed the jump. Wow.
What jump? Oh. I will wait for you.
Yep. You guys may know sometimes Joris is good and sometimes I'm good. Not always the best people is good.
Yeah.
Sometimes the worst people are good too. They can practice every day,
Yeah.
training every day, and be the best in everything.
How am I failing these jumps?
Don't worry. Try
Wait, I'm
again.
doing it. Yeah, I can do it. I can do it.
I
Okay.
fell.
Do you mean? Oh,
Yep.
this looks not too hard actually.
I know you guys heard that I say I must complete the whole obby, but
Yeah.
I need to end the video there. So tomorrow we'll continue part 2, shall we? Part 2.
Uh huh.
Tomorrow we'll continue.
Part two. Two.
Tomorrow we'll continue
Friend, be
part
sure
2.
to save it, okay?
Yep.
Friend, save it. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys.
Yep. You heard what Joris said? Enjoy the video.
Yeah. I just
By the
pull.
by the end of this year, maybe we'll hit 100 subscribers,
Yeah.
and we'll do a giveaway at the 100 subscribers.
Huh?
A Roblox gift card
Uh huh.
for one lucky winner
Yeah.
who have
You will get some Robux
yes.
from a Roblox gift card.
Don't worry, I'm not lying to you. It's
Uh
not a
huh.
joke. It's real.
Yeah. We're really giving away a gift card.
Yep. Just comment, just follow the steps in the description below to
Uh huh.
enter the giveaway.
Yeah.
Don't worry, guys. I'll put the steps in the
In the
yeah
description.
in the description. Oh yes, we won. We
Wait.
have just completed the obby. There
Wait
it
for.
is. Oh, that's a lot.
Yay! We completed the obby, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video.
Yep. I hope you enjoyed this video, and be sure to subscribe, like
And
this
like.
video, and comment down in the description below. And
So,
that's the end of the video. See you guys in the next
bye.
video. Bye guys.